Yo, yo, yo. What up, YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy. So, as you can see, we got the new update right now for BIOS. I think it's version 3.3.1. Just double checking real quick. No, I'm sorry, version 3.3.0. So I got it wrong right there. So let's just zoom in for you guys real quick, what you guys see. That's the version right there. Zoom in a little bit more. Can we zoom in a little bit more? No, we cannot. So you see it right there. There's actually version 3.3.0 right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna download this thing right now. So that you guys see that it's downloading. So let's just try to get this up a little bit more so you guys can actually see what's going on. So right now I'm just downloading it. Okay. Restart. Just get this up a little bit. And we're gonna let that BIOS update just update, and we're gonna be set on version 3.3.0. So I got my power supply in at top there. You can probably see it right there where my finger is. You must have your power supply in to do this. So just in case if something happens, like your power cuts off, whatever it may be, try to make sure you always have your Ally at 100% when you do a BIOS update, just in case, like if the power cuts off or whatever it may be, you still got power running like that. So this is gonna run, and I actually gotta sneeze. Excuse me. Sorry about that, guys. So basically what we're doing right now is we're just waiting for the thing to do its thing with the BIOS update and stuff like that. It is going to take a little bit of time. I'm not going to speed through it. I don't know if I'm going to speed through it. I don't know if I'm going to edit or just upload it the way how it is while I'm talking to you guys right now. But just want you guys to see exactly what's going on. So let's try to focus this on a little bit better. Might have to clean one of my lenses. So I am seeing a little bit blur. So hold on a second, guys. Okay. So yeah, last time I did a BIOS update on here, it took like a few minutes. I didn't go through this, part like this, but never shut down your Ally. Just let it do what it's got to do. It is plugged into the power supply, so yeah, just let it run its course. It's going to take some time. I don't know how long it's going to take, but it's going to take its time. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually edit this video. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna stop the video right here, and as soon as it progresses, I'll come back and record more and go from there. Okay, guys, I'm back. So it actually shut down now. So it's doing this thing right now, and we should be going into the BIOS update right now. It just finished restarting. So as you can see, it's doing its multiple ROG Ally boot up. And we should be going into the BIOS right now. It should be flashing the new BIOS right now. So there we go right there. So, gotta see what it says. Can't see what it is. Right here. Click yes. There we go. We're just gonna let it set right there for a few. So Like I said, keep your power supply in. I'm using a 100-watt power supply. My ROG Ally is at 100% on it, so if anything happens, I still got backup power to go through it, so I'm not really concerned. So guys, make sure that y'all subscribe, follow. As I stated in my other video, I do tutorials, fixes, how-tos, updates, news, gameplays, benchmarks, all that on here. Live streams on ROG Ally. I show you basically how to set up things on here. I basically show you how to do things with the dock. I show you how to do simple things that you could do on your regular PC, but also doing it on the go. I do have multiple videos showing you a lot of accessories that you can buy to take advantage of your ROG Ally, and a lot of that cool stuff that a lot of you guys want to do, from thumbsticks to skins, wraps, all that things, bodies, shells, all that extra stuff. So anything if it's ROG related, I will have videos up that's anything ROG related wise. So yeah, make sure y'all subscribe, hit that notification bell, become part of the DY Easy gang, and stay up to date for any new videos I put up with BIOS and firmwares. And if you have problems with your software, your AMDs, and you need help, come to this channel. If it's something that's minor, I can help you with. If it's something I don't know, I do have access of getting in contact with people to actually fix the problem. And if it's something that I can't fix, I will do a lot of troubleshooting until I find the problem. So yeah, make sure that y'all leave your comments down below. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you just follow everywhere I'm at, because I do upload videos not every day but every other day when it comes towards the ROG Ally. I can't upload things every day because there's not news every day. I try to put up videos mostly every other week that's dealing with the Ally, from installation to memory. I do have a video that's going to be coming up very soon showing you guys how to change your NVMe from a 2230 to a 2280 without doing that mod that a lot of people is doing. There's actually an adapter you can buy, but also with that adapter you have to buy a specific adapter, because the adapter basically goes by voltage. And yeah, people's been buying it and they've been burning out their allies. The reason why they've been burning out their allies is because they're buying the cheap version and not from the actual person that made it. It was just somebody stole the person's his patents and stuff like that, and just started, they've been going crazy uploading it and not realizing that he had a specific thing for each particular NVMe size. You have one for 2230, 2242, 2240, and 2280. I'm sorry, 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280. So each one has a different voltage and stuff on it, and the adapter has to be compatible with that particular one. So they do have ones that's specifically made for a 2230. Then they have one that's consistently made for a 2242. Then they have one for a 2260, then 2280. So if you're going with a 2280, you need to get the one that's multi-adapted. So the ones that is multi-adapted works for 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280. That's the one I'm going to be purchasing because it has a better secure link on it and a better lockdown for it. So that being said, we're almost done with the BIOS. We should be done in a few seconds. We're almost there. And I say about 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And the BIOS should be done right now. Okay, BIOS up to date. And there it goes. I ain't even had to press it. Automatically stop. So it should be restarting itself right now. And we're just gonna wait a few seconds for the Ally to come on. Got the new BIOS. I'm I'm going to check and see what's actually different on it, what's new on there. So it is going to take some time just to go through, skim through everything, see what actually changed, do some benchmarks, see if it improved frame rates, see if it improved, you know, the all longevity of the Ally, see if it changed up anything in the command center and Armory crate. Check and see exactly. It is late right now. It is 1:28 in the morning. As I stated in my video, BIOS update. I gotta update that on title because I do have it down for something completely different. So yeah, I have to change that up. So there you go, mouse. Click on that. And we're gonna check and see what's new inside Armory Crate right now. Content, updates. Check and see. We're just gonna check and see anything. So, doesn't look like anything much changed. I'm gonna play with it for a little while and see what actually changed up on it. All right, guys. So it's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker. Only using tomahawks, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Let's see if anything pops up real quick. It is doing why? Okay, nothing's there. So I'll catch you guys later. Peace.